Hello, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is a Michael's bead haul and also VR for Poochie Tats. I will have her link below. So I'm showing you my organization and also what I have. So I have just a small amount of beads. I got my containers from the Dollar Tree, and I also got my drawers from the 99-cent store. So here are some pearls, and I have a very small collection, so small that I almost didn't do this VR. However, Poochie Tat said that it was fine, we could show our beads, so here I am showing my beads. And these are the larger beads, and this is where I store all of my larger beads. So since I have so little, this is how I do it. And I even have an empty drawer at the bottom. And so here we are going to fill these containers. So I had such a small amount of beads that I went shopping. Michael's had the red tag sale on the beads, and these beads were only $1.99 for just the red tags. So I picked up a few, and my favorites are the ones in the box and also the donut shaped beads. Those are my favorites. And so I'm gonna go ahead and fill these containers real fast, and it's gonna go super fast. I will cut out some footage. I'm just filling these containers, and I do need to buy more containers because I still had beads to fill, which was very exciting. And also I didn't know that I had so much beads, but looking at all of them, I do have quite a bit considering I'm a beginner in beading. And so I love these gold beads right here. These ones are a little bit larger than the ones that I'm used to. However, they were on sale, so I thought I would pick them up and try them. And they are a matte golds, which I love as well. And I love these larger beads. I went ahead and put them in this bowl. I'm gonna dump them in the large bead drawer, and so there they are. Definitely will be used this winter. They will be gone as soon as Christmas is over. I'm sure I'm not gonna have much of a bead collection after this. So I'm very excited to do an embellishment box. That is what Poochie Tats VR is for. It is a group swap, and we are to make a embellishment box. And so I'm very excited to show you what I come up with. And so this is my organization. Isn't it beautiful? I just love looking at all the colors laid out like that. And this, I think this is such a great idea for beginners. And so there it is. And this concludes the video. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. And I hope you like my bead stash, even though it's such a small stash. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.